Top money-making hobbies. Are you looking for new ways to make money? Well, you can turn your hobbies into cash. In this video, I will show you some hobbies that can generate a great amount of income for you. Watch this video to the end, you will discover different hobbies that can make you rich. Now let's look at a few of them. 1. Freelance writing. Let's face it, you either love writing or you don't. Freelance writing can be one of the most lucrative hobbies, as full-time freelancers can expect to earn anywhere from $30,000 per year to some hitting those six figures. The best part is you can decide whether this hobby stays a hobby or becomes your new moneymaker. Here's the thing with freelance writing. You'll find that you can totally earn a decent income with this hobby without compromising your rich life. What I mean by that is you don't have to sacrifice too much of time with your loved ones to make money from writing. You can easily earn great money by choosing projects that agree with you and your schedule. More importantly, you'll find that the higher-paying gigs offer better direction, clearer instructions, and a streamlined communication path because those clients know what they want. So how do you start? Fiverr is a great place to start. I have placed a link in the video description to help you start. Just sign up and start your money-making journey. 2. Blogger. We're well past those days of eyes rolling at the mention of an interest in blogging. While perfectly curated content has its place, we're seeing a big uptick in the parent-style blogs, hobby blogs, and personal finance for the average person. Blogging allows you the freedom of creating content at your own pace, in your own style, and for an audience of one, if you like. Create a site that is easily digestible, fresh, and fully represents what you're trying to offer. Before you know it, your tales of fresh, farm-style bread, and how to keep a toddler busy the whole day will be eaten up like, well, hot fresh bread. Bloggers earn their money through advertising, sponsorships, and paid posts. This means that if you want to get your hands on some revenue, you need your site to rank well on the search engines. You can check on our video on how to make money blogging on our channel. 3. Baker. So what are you waiting for? Monetize your baking skills and bring in some extra money. But bakers aren't just relegated to cakes for weddings and special birthdays. Specialized pastries, personalized cookies, and smorgasbord sweet treats for functions are a thing. Not everyone has the patience for the precision of measurements as you do, so put those skills to work. Word of mouth is a good advertiser for you, so make sure to leave a call card when you deliver your order. When you're ready to scale your hobby, a marketing plan will be a good preface to a launch. Who doesn't want to come to an event to sample tasty treats? 4. Cook. Friends and family often drop comments such as, "I would pay good money for this meal, and please tell me there's more." There's nothing more fulfilling than sending your dinner guests home in a satisfying mood. So why not let them pay for it? Okay, before you feel guilty for milking your friends, there's a classy way to get your friends to pay for their food without you going through the enormous effort of opening a restaurant. A pop-up kitchen is a good place to start. Limited seats and upfront bookings allow you to plan your dishes, and you can add a sense of mystery by keeping the location a secret until the very last minute. The size of your pop-up kitchen is up to you. If you can only accommodate 6 guests, then that's what you do. You can choose to scale the operation if you want, but make it interesting so dinner guests get more than just food, they get an entire experience. 5. Musician. You can do more than strum on that old guitar, and you tend to draw a crowd when you break out in song. In a good way. So pack away the nerves, get out that guitar pick, and book yourself some shows. Find local venues that can easily accommodate a soloist and start putting those pipes to work. But what if you're great on the technical side of music? Consider offering lessons at the local schools or community center for a nominal fee. Better yet, start a YouTube channel and build up a decent following. YouTube offers multiple revenue streams and consistent, great content will allow you to build an organic subscriber list. Musicians who are good at the production side of things can also look into producing jingles, tunes, and samples for ad agencies, film studios, and other musicians. Programs such as Logic and Ableton simplify the process. You can also check on our video on how to make money on Audio Mac. This will be helpful. 6. Gamer. Game developers are now creating games that allow you to win real cash or credits that you can spend at certain retailers or online stores. Suddenly, your years of experience playing solitaire when you got your first PC can finally pay off. Literally. With a long list of games, your favorite pastime can now become a great way for some extra cash. Just bear in mind that not all states allow cash payouts. 7. Photography. You don't have to be the next photographer of the year to make decent cash from your photos. All you need is a good eye for composition, a decent camera, and a scene worth shooting. Photography happens to be a vast field that's about more than studio portraits and weddings. If there's a subject, you can photograph it. You can turn any space into a temporary studio, and with photography, you have a lot of flexibility to practice your craft. Your customers are also unlimited. Whether you deal directly with clients or simply do stock photography to sell online, the possibilities are endless. Stock photography also allows you to earn a passive income, which means that one photo can make you money several times over. The better your photos, the higher you can charge for them. Sites such as Shutterstock and Creative Market are great platforms for selling photos. There are several ways to make money online. Subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell for more of such videos. Thank you for watching.